Hello to all of you wherever you are in the world, from the architectural marvel that is the Fußball Arena, Munich. I'm your commentator, Peter Drury, and providing his unique brand of expert analysis, here's Jim Beglin.
Thanks for the intro, Peter. I've been soaking up the atmosphere and I'm really looking forward to what lies in store.
The lineups for the game. That gets things running. Jim, which player is best equipped for this game?
Well, Harry Kane merits a mention. What doesn't he do well? Leads the line, drops deeper into space, he runs well with the ball at his feet, and he's rarely wild when attempting an effort at goal.
Well, that's a foul. Free kick's been given. Danger averted for now. Now the pass. Charges in.
His decision-making really is what let him down more than anything else.
Tries a long pass towards the front. Battles to win it back. That a foul? Yes, the referee's given it. Goes long and forward. Now it's Kane.
Just to point out, Peter, that the fullbacks are quite high.
And what do they try to achieve?
Well, it's obviously a move to push the opposition wide men back and give them more to think about.
Thrust towards the front line. Kane. He is not one readily to admit defeat. Don't be surprised if he tries that again. Out to the left it goes. There's the cross. Had a swing, but it wasn't to be.
Well, no doubt if he'd sacrificed some of the power he was trying to put into that and favour a better technique, then I think he might have had more joy.
Still goalless at the moment. Goretzka tries to get it forward quickly. Looks like a good ball through. Tops! Goal! Bayern Munich! He was really quick to react to the initial save, and he has his reward.
Well, they say all goalkeepers are crazy, and after that, maybe there's some truth in it.
Bayern Munich get themselves into the lead.
Well, just listen to the reaction. I think you can hear the approval from the support all around the stadium.
Tries a through ball. Oh, it's opened up nicely for him. And he's cut it out. Pumps it upfield. Passes it through. Kane looking to get on the end of this. Heads it! No, he didn't quite meet it right. Looks to dink one in. And the defence can get it clear. Did really well to intervene and dispel the growing danger. Goretzka tries the route one option. A chance! Spoon forward. Looks to slip it through. Shots on! Who's going to make this theirs? Ball's out on the left now. I have to say, that was an exemplary tackle. Stopped him dead in his tracks. Keeper sees it all the way. Goretzka. Now it's Kane. Is there any support? He might not need it. It's a loose ball. Passes it through. Hurtles into the tackle. And he's certainly caught him there. It's a free kick. Well, he can't say now that he hasn't been warned.
Well, he knew what he was taking on there, Peter, and special delivery from the ref.
Has a swing at it! That's gone a long way up and away. There is the half-time whistle.
Not the most convincing of displays. They could certainly do much better than this. They'll want to keep things simple, build up their confidence and not rush into mistakes.
Whistle goes, and we start the second half.
Well, I'm sure the managers talk the talk, and now it's time for these players to walk the walk and deliver a rousing response to a rousing team talk.
Another piece of really good defending. Aimed long and direct. Looks like a good ball through. Coaxed out to the wing. Has it out wide now. That's a throw. Defence got the better of him this time, but I'm sure he'll go again. Tries a through ball. Gets it back. Back to the keeper and tries something new. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. And it's Kane. Bayern Munich keeping their men at arm's length here.
Yeah, I just think it's a conservative move to deny runners the opportunity of going beyond that rear guard.
Goretzka. Kane. Now the pass. What an adventurous run from a defender. It's a very good battle there, terrific to watch. And it's Kane. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Needed a better pass there. Who's going to make this theirs? position to make that interception. Goretzka pumps it forwards. Not much subtle. That's a foul. Simple decision for the referee. The referee has resisted the temptation to go to his pocket. It's just a stern lecture. Chan. Oh, no, that's not the ball he wanted. Well weighted. Kane just doesn't give up. You just know he'll be in there again before long. Boots it upfield. No question, that's a foul. Gone for a throw-in. It's a poor throw that, picked off with relative ease. Kane. Hoists it high. Was one quality pass away from being a very decent chance. Looked very promising.
Well, the idea was crafty, but the weight of the pass was just a little light.
It's come loose. Tries to get it forward quickly. Ball forward. What does he try from here? It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. It's a good run down the left-hand side. Ball's gone out of play. Bayern Munich look as though they're about to make a change.
Well, for me, this was the obvious substitution. He'd become just a little jaded, and as a result of that, he was most likely to make a mistake. I think sometimes when the body becomes tired, the brain goes with it, and I think that's happened in this case.
Whistle's gone, that's a foul. Oh, that's a booking, always looked it. Gets it back. Kane. Good defending there. They've slammed the door in the faces of the opposition. Kings it out wide. Surely this will be the last chance. Nothing wrong with that tackle. Ball won cleanly. Goretzka. Gnabry. Confirmation that there will be 2 minutes stoppage time. Throw in. Gnabry. So that's it. It is all over. So it ends 1-0, an enthralling game and an agonisingly narrow defeat.
Listen, they had plenty of time to overcome the setback, but for me, they never quite had enough adventure in their play to get back into that one.
I think we're just about out of time, so many thanks to Jim, and a very good afternoon to you.